Hi, I'm Karyn Hodgins, and in this video, I'm going to go over what's in our Play and Take 3 kit. So just like all of our take-home products, Play and Take 3 was designed to reinforce important skills in number, all while having fun playing games. So you can play the games at your family math night event. So families would come to your event, they would learn how to play the games, and then they would take the games home with them to continue the learning at home. You can send the games home for winter, spring, or summer break. You can use the games in your classroom as centers. So you can see that there's a variety of options. And what's really nice about these games is that each one of them has multiple versions, making it great for differentiation. Okay, so the kit serves 120 K-5 students. So we do everything in grade bands. So our kindergarten first grade is what we call our beginning level. Second and third grade is our intermediate level, and fourth and fifth grade is our advanced level. So you're going to get 40 packets at each one of those grade bands or each one of those levels. Now you can purchase the levels separately, and we also do custom orders. Just let us know how many you want at each one of those levels, and we'd be happy to put a quote together for you. The games also are available in Spanish. Okay, so if you're familiar with our products, then you know that we individually package everything, making it super easy to hand out to your families. So this is our beginning level packet. And in here, you're going to get the 2 games and the game pieces. Okay. This is our intermediate level, and this is our advanced level. Okay. So let me go over the skills that students will be reinforcing. At the beginning level, they're going to be playing Honey Hunt and Candy Count. And the skills that will be reinforced are number recognition, making a 10, missing add-ins, beginning addition and subtraction, and working on a number line. At the intermediate level, the games that they will be playing are Mountain March and Rabbit Race. And here we'll be reinforcing even, odd numbers, addition and subtraction within 20, and beginning multiplication facts. And then at the advanced level, they'll be playing Frog Fractions, and here's the little fraction logs. And the other game is Apple Arrays. And here students will be reinforcing factors, beginning multiplication, equivalent fractions, and adding fractions with common and uncommon denominators. So you can see there's a lot of skill practice happening here, all while students are engaged and motivated playing fun games. So it's a win-win. If you have any questions, our number is at the end of this video, or you can email us at info@familymathnight.com or visit us on the web, familymathnight.com. Thanks for watching.